Hello and welcome to all our followers on our channel Urgent Update News. I'm your host Jean-Marie, bringing you the latest updates. Now floods across Pakistan has killed 785 since monsoon started in late June, with issues of 2 more rain spells September 10th. In Punjab province, a rescue team on Sunday urged residents of village along the Saltage River to evacuate immediately due to the rapid rising of water level. According to Disaster Management Authority, the Saltage River has reached a flood level of 29,866 SUX, prompting authorities to issue a high alert for the region. Over 90,000 people have been evacuated from flood-prone areas in the past 24 hours, with rescue operations ongoing in districts including Kasur, Okar, Parkam, Pakpatan, Bahawalnagar, and Bihar. Thank you so much for watching our news. Click on subscribe to have